give me back my youth. Can someone give me back my youth? No, I'm teasing. I actually love being my age, but I want to look the best that I can look. See, your cellular health is a lot different than your actual physical age. You could be a 20-year-old and have a cellular age of 50, or a 50-year-old and have a cellular age of 20. It matters what you put in your body. Collagen and colostrum are so important, and the right collagen and colostrum are so important. This product went through a cruelty-free program, and it also combines two of the most important ingredients to really support the ligaments, the muscles, even the cognitive functioning, and the heart health and the gut health of your body. As we age, we don't really need milk. That's why a lot of people are intolerant, or they notice that they don't feel great when they drink milk products. But what you do need is the collagen and colostrum in your body. You need the peptides. This is an amazing product that's able to help people throughout the world. I'd love for you to try it, and I'd love for you to give us feedback on what you think about this amazing product that we have at Root.